Hi guys, in this video we will see how to recover deleted notebook in your OneNote app on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. If you want to recover deleted notebook on your OneNote app, then here are the process. First, launch OneNote app in your system. Go to Windows search, type OneNote and open OneNote app. Once the OneNote app open, here from the top menu bar, look for the option History, click on it. Click on History from the top menu bar, and here you will find the option Notebook Recycle Bin. Click on a small arrow and you will find Notebook Recycle Bin. Hover the cursor on it and you can see your deleted notebook is visible here. Deleted pages, simply right click on it and choose Move or Copy. Here you will find Move or Copy section. Simply choose a location where you want to recover or move this deleted page. Select it and choose OK. From the bottom right corner, choose either copy or move. And now your deleted page will successfully move to your desired location. So you can easily move or copy deleted notebook from Notebook OneNote Recycle Bin. That's all.